We have some new makeup to play with today. We have the mini Urban Decay palette. We have this new mascara from Benefit. And we have a Gerard Cosmetics Lipstick. If you want to see what this looks like on my face, then please keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very, very well. Today we're going to look at some new makeup products that I have purchased. We are going to look at the Real Magnetic. This is the Benefit's Extra Length new mascara. Actually, I don't know if it's new, but I thought I'd pick it up. I got this from Boots and this was £13.50. It is a mini size because I've got quite a lot of mascaras on the go. So I don't want to add some more and I'm not going to use them up. So hence I got the mini one, which is cost effective as well. And I also brought some items from London Loves Beauty. They do a lot of brands that we can't get our hands on in the UK. With a box with their logo paper on it. So the Urban Decay palette, it's called On the Run. This was only £9.95 instead of £24.95, I think it was, with this shortcut version of the Born to Run palette. On the Run travels light but doesn't skip on looks. The £8 palette is loaded with go-to blush toned neutrals, hand-picked rose hue and an iridescent pink transform shade to switch up any look to add a little ice. So they're the colours on the back there. So this is what the palette looks like. Pretty sweet, quite cute. They are everyday colours and I think they look rather nice. I kind of do makeup. It's an everyday look that I always do, but it's about the makeup more than what I can create because I'm rubbish at makeup. This is called Shortcut. It's that one here. I'm going to pop that all over the lid. And let's have a go with some makeup. It certainly goes on nice. Okay, goes on really nice. Look at the difference. My God, and that was just one little dip. I'm going to say the quality is amazing, and I'm also going to say there's literally no kickback. I've done my base makeup with foundation and under eye, so I'm hoping that I don't get any fallout. Called Laced. I'm going to pop that over the lid. Okay, so like I say, this is not so much about the look, it's more about how I feel the makeup goes on, if it blends, if you get your money's worth. This is definitely worth £9, folks. I'm going to leave the link down below. I don't know at the time of filming whether this is still available or not, but I will leave the link. Look, just darken up this outer corner a fraction. Just going to place a little bit of that here. So we'll blend those edges in a little bit so they don't look so harsh. Burgundy sort of colour, the Rendezvous, and I'm just going to take that underneath my eye. So far, so good. Right. No hassle. So let's put a bit of shimmer on. Sin. This is where it all goes wrong now, isn't it, guys? I'm really happy with the look of that. I think it's okay, and I think for a day look that's perfect, and like I say, I would kind of leave it at that. But you know, do whatever you want. You do you and I'll do me. Okay, so I thought we would try the mascara next. It's meant to have extreme length, powerful lift. It's meant to make them eyelashes look 40% longer, 40% plus long. Extender brush with magnetically charged core. Draws lashes out 10 extreme lengths. Okay, so that's the extremes. That's it close up. Get my finger out of the way. So there's the before and after on this lovely lady's eye. that's the standard usual packaging from Benefit. I like the idea of the magnet on the top. It's pretty cute. That's the brush. Can't see that it's anything particularly different. And it's quite solid, it's not flexible at all. Okay, well, it's going on pretty nice. Okay. I'm going to say the formula's kind of drying, which I don't mind. I don't mind a dry formula. I haven't got any fallout or any bits of bobs on underneath my eye so far. Right, I'm going to go back in with a second coat on this mascara. I'm going to wiggle at the root and bring it up to the top. I kind of thought it would really impact my eyelashes. Now, I'm probably the only one on the internet that's probably saying this. Everybody's probably ranting and raving about it. I've not actually seen any reviews. My eyelashes are starting to look a little bit clumpy, which is not a look I like. I don't know. I'll see how well this performs through the day, whether I get fallout, whether it transfers onto my top lid. So far, no. But I'm going to be honest, guys, I do have better mascaras than, unfortunately, this one that I've just tried. I don't know what's so special about the magnetic thing that it's got inside it. Okay. Last thing, let's get some Gerard Cosmetics Lipstick on. Pick this up from London Loves Beauty. Again, it was in the sale. Instead of £14, I got this for £8. I love the formula. I've had a couple of these before now. And as I like the formula so much, I picked up this nude. I picked up a nude last time, and when I opened it, I was mortified to see that it was like literally dipped in sparkles. But the sparkles didn't transform onto my lips at all, which I was really happy about. But presentation, when you went like that, it was very pretty. So I decided just to go for a regular nude. The colour shade on this is, in case you want to get it, Between the Sheets. It's a nice colour. There is a smell to this, but it's not horrendous. It's nice formula. I do like this one, the last lipstick I tried. I will probably sort of like get a few more colours in this. I love the formula. I think for £8, it's very good. It's very creamy. I've got nothing on my lips. I didn't line them or anything. This is just like straight out the box. Very nice. Very nice colour. Okie dokie, so that's it, guys. Let me know what you thought of this video. Do you like the palette? What did you think of the mascara? I'm a little bit disappointed in the mascara. Anyway, let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to also enter the giveaway. Make sure you're reading the rules and regulations, because I've kind of changed it a little bit. If you want to be in the giveaway, you need to subscribe, you need to like videos, and you need to be commenting on videos. At the end of the month, I'll look at all the people that have commented, and I will issue them with a raffle number. I will put all them numbers in and draw out the lucky winner. So it pays you to keep commenting on the videos, because the more times you comment, the more likely I'm going to think, yes, they are active on my video. Till this week again, please take care of yourselves and each other. Mwah. Bye for now. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.